Determine if the following binomial is a factor of the given polynomial using synthetic division. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we have 3, 2, -3, 4, -12. Bring down the 2. 3 times 2 is 6. -3 plus 6 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. 3 times 13 is 39. So your remainder is 27. So that indicates to you that this is not a factor. How do I know? The remainder would have had to been 0. Let's go ahead and try the second one. So we have, on the corner, we have -2, we have 1, -1, -6, -3. -2 times 1 is -2. We have -3. -2 times -3 gives you 6. -6 plus 6 gives you 0. -2 times 0 is 0. -3 plus 0 is -3. So once again, x plus 2 is not a factor. We're going to find the roots of this quadratic equation. You can also say real zeros. So our coefficient is a, which is 1. Our coefficient b is -2. And our coefficient c is -15. So we have x equals 2 plus or minus square root -2 squared minus 4 times a times -15 divided by 2 times 1, which gives us 2. So we have x equals 2 plus or minus square root, and we have a 4, plus 60 divided by 2. So we have 2 plus or minus square root of 64 over 2. 2 plus or minus 8 over 2, which gives us 2 plus 8 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. Or 2 minus 8 is -6 divided by 2 is -3. So our solution is 5 or -3.